Hello, I'm Don, and thanks for stopping by the DIY Collaborative YouTube channel. We hope you find this helpful and look forward to your feedback. Please like the video, send us your comments and questions, and even consider subscribing to our channel for other helpful videos. As our name implies, today we're in collaboration with David from Galipp's Gadgets to review some items recently purchased from Harbor Freight. Be sure to check out his channel on YouTube and let him know what you think. Stop by our website at thediycollaborative.com, and you can always check out the links we provided in the description below. Thanks again, and enjoy.
Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing and checking out Harbor Freight's Drill Master Variable Speed Polisher Sander. We got it while it was on sale today for $29.99. So we're gonna unbox it here. Quite a few parts. It says that the backing pad is included, so that's what this is. It's got kind of the Velcro backing, but you'll need to buy all of your polishing brushes, whatever you're trying to accomplish. There's the handle, Allen wrench, a couple of other items. Looks like this is the handle. And the unit itself. Nice. So there's your variable speed. Able to choose all the way from, I believe it is 600 to 3,500 RPMs. It's got a trigger and a trigger lock. Nice heavy duty object. So let's go ahead and get it assembled. So what's neat about this unit is they provide you with either a single handle, and you can install it either here on the left side, the top, or the right side, depending on if you're left or right-handed in whatever your application is. And they also provide you with a D handle. So right here for left-hand or for right-handed users, and then for the other side, and it slips right on there and there. And there are, they include 2 of these bolts, and you're able to use this Allen wrench in order to install those. All right, so we plugged it in, and I'm gonna put the pad on real quick. This red button right here is the lock, so whenever you're twisting it on, it locks in place, and you're able to tighten that up nice and tight. We've got the handle installed over here on the left side. So what's neat about this unit is, so we've got it on the lowest setting here. Whenever you immediately push the trigger, it starts out really slow, and then it increases in speed. So that's actually to help you in specific situations like polishing your car. You don't want to spin all the wax everywhere, whatever compound you're using. So once you get it set, you want to make sure it's on a flat surface, and then you begin using it. So that's at the lowest speed. And I'm going to increase it slowly. There's 2, 3, 5, and there's 6. There we go. All right. Thank you so much, guys.